You know the drill. If you have a different opinion on this topic, feel free to express that in the comments if I'd like to learn more about them. And please don't harass anyone mentioned in this video. Most of the people mentioned in this video are children and they're still growing up. Actually, I won't really mention specific people in this video, but community or a group in a whole. But still, don't harass or rechant them. Oh, and please watch until the end of the video before commenting and stuff. Hello my friends, and welcome to an episode of the Not So Normal Tea, a commentary series where we talk and discuss about drama. This episode is a bit different. Instead of talking about drama in general, I'll instead talk about a thing with a person that was controversial for a while or is still controversial, which is a thing I probably do sometimes in the future. Alongside with that, rather than exposing the thing or a person, I'll defend the thing or the person either partially or completely. Again, I also may do that in the future. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment so I can make more of these videos and dive into more weird stuff, so you don't have to. Very funny wrong grammar in this video and this weird voice. I'll use Audacity's noise reduction filter because my webcam's microphone, which is really crappy. Today we're going to look at the Scratch programming language. Indeed, by seeing that, I started looking now from the rabbit hole and we're going to go down with it. Scratch is a block-based visual and educational programming language developed by the National Kindergarten Group at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, also known as MIT. It has 58 million registered users and 48 million shared projects. It's targeted at children aged 8 to 16, and according to Theory, it's the most used programming languages. Note the age demographics because it uses this video. Scratch has been launched by the controversial thing in the past and it still is in the present, but I don't think that it deserves this amount of hate. Yep, I'm here to defend Scratch, perspective and stuff, but partially, as the system problems with this website and no program. Okay, you got the basic facts and stuff about Scratch, let's just dive into this. Hello, this is Esin while editing the video. In this section, by saying software, I wanted to say programming languages. Wanted to say that. Okay. Also, there's some people think that Scratch is not a programming language, but I didn't cover this criticism / hate. I don't know what it is. Because it's actually a programming language. It's just designed for education. Now, software is totally fine. It was made with the intent of teaching kids how to code, and that's why the interface and syntax is pretty simple. However, I do have some concerns. University has started including Scratch with computer science curriculum. I mean, Scratch is a programming language for kids aged 8 to 16, right? People who go to university are over 16. And I think that it will be really hard to comprehend at least a text-based programming language with a simple syntax for them. Actually, Scratch being used in schools above middle school like high school or university is that okay. Maybe even don't put it to the courses above the 6th grade level. If you want more details about this thing, I recommend checking out the yesterday's video. I'll link it in the description as always. I don't have much to say other than this. I don't see any problems with the moderator team, also known as the Scratch team. They're doing a pretty good job at what they do. They're humans, they make mistakes, but they correct their mistakes. I think they fell into a controversy because the majority of Scratch users are 9 to 12 years old and that they're kids or they're not old enough to find Scratch officer to wrong. Children just can't grasp certain things other people can. So if the Scratch has blocked it from Scratch, don't take up math about them. Just take up it. They call it blocked because it is something wrong, but you currently categorize it. Or consider moving to other social medias. But if the Scratch team, any members of the Scratch team has harassed, stalked, groomed you, etc., speak up about that, because if they pedophiles harass child, I don't know, and they are monitoring of a children's website, that's totally not okay. Then you should speak up to your parents. You may consider also taking this to the internet, and maybe interview some people. I don't know. Hello, it's me, Esin, while editing again. I just wanted to say that, well, I mentioned a part of the community in this section. If you're not a part of the part, then you don't have to take this too personally. Take it with a grain of salt. The community on YouTube is not about making cringe games or being cringe in general. Now, as I said before, Scratch's target age demographic is 8 to 16. The people who make these games are kids, and they don't know what's up, and you should be able to understand that. However, I still do have problems. Some members of the Scratch community are rising above others using unfair tactics such as clickbait. Most of former members of Scratch, those who left the Scratch community and joined other platforms, left because how much attention-seeking and toxic the community became. Most of the community forgot Scratch's actual purpose, learning how to code, and started to think that Scratch's purpose is to get fame and or attention. Maybe even those who had a significant position in the Scratch team left because of it. I'm not sure about that, but it is possible. Speaking about clickbait on the Scratch website, maybe people do this because due to how much members the Scratch website has, alongside with the fact that they lack fame and attention. However, clickbaiting is still not nice. The attention you get by clickbaiting can be easily destroyed and can even end up with major consequences. There are currently 58 million registered users on Scratch and 56 million being active, and every day around 1 million Scratch accounts are being created. I think it's pretty good for Scratch to have that attention, but it should get a bit more than this, in my opinion. Listen, I know that you want to teach every child how to code, but you can do this in other ways other than Scratch. Even Toby itself finds it a bit abnormal that a programming language designed for children got in the list of 20 most used ones. Most parts of the program is good, but the community is concerning. Their kids. But if they stay with this mindset of Scratch, a program and a website made to teach kids code, just to get things, they might become a more technical person in the future. I think that this is a way to get the community back on track, but I think it's going to be challenging to do so. Anyways, thanks for watching. Again, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment if you enjoyed. If possible, in the future, I might make a video where I interview former members of the Scratch community or the Scratch team. I'm off!